Welcome back. Former PWD Minister Churchill Alamau claims that he will contest Lok Sabha polls if Congress gives him ticket, else he will support the Congress candidate in South Goa. He also threatened the BJP-led government over Mopa airport issue. He says that if people from South Goa come out against Mopa, the airport will never become a reality.
Baba, MP election Congress ticket illa postal mu segala. Illa de Congress seat ale amare. Joto jaga minor community to remove ha. Chief Minister, त्याने ये पावटी candidate Muslim नाले कॅटली घालतो. पारिकार म्हणता, Chief Minister म्हणता, काँग्रेसचे लोकांनी तो एअरपोर्ट दिला. हरेक तो एअरपोर्ट लुजिना सारख्यान पयली थिंग घातला, साधना सारख्यान थिंग घातला. पण एअरपोर्ट झालं ना. एअरपोर्ट अजून झालं ना. एअरपोर्ट अजून तरी कोणास केला जर तो दिसता मुख्यमंत्र्या बाबा लोक त्रास सापडला मुख्यमंत्र्यान बंद करपाचो जाता. आणि हांव तुमकां सांगता आज जेन्ना चळवळ चल्ली आसा लोक तरी उठत सावथाचो एअरपोर्ट बंद जातलोच कित्याक तुमकां खबर आसतली जेन्ना नायलॉन 66 तो प्रोजेक्ट येयलो 31 पासून लोकांनी तरी बॉम्ब मारलो जाल्यार आज नायलॉन 66 प्रोजेक्ट बंद जालो आहा. पूण जेन्ना लोकांक जाय लोक तरी उठतलो सावथाक आनी लोक तरी उठलो जाल्यार हो एअरपोर्ट जरूर बंद जातलो दुबाव ना.
Forest Department will initiate a campaign to stop poaching and sale of frogs. Frogs meat, though banned, is popular in eating joints at Jumping Chicken. The Deputy Conservator of Forest Sanjay Varadkar says frogs are being imported from neighbouring states. Goan borders will be strictly monitored by the forest officials during the monsoon. Forest Department's campaign Save Frog will begin from first week of June.
IMD forecast says monsoon is likely to hit Goa by June 6th and the seasonal frogs will begin. The species are on verge of extinction due to the greed of frog eaters. Frogs eat mosquito larvae which controls mosquito breeding and spread of malaria during monsoons. Poaching and killing of frogs is rampant in South Goa. In Goa, major frog poaching is reported from villages in talukas like Salsette, Kepe and Kankon. Notices will be issued to restaurants in South Goa cautioning against serving jumping chicken.
We are also issuing notices to all the restaurants who we doubt normally sell these frogs. We give all the restaurants in Kanpon area. In Salsette, especially the small shops, must be around 100 restaurants total in South Goa.
Forest officers will be patrolling at night to keep check on killing of frogs. The officers will patrol during the night hours. A team will be posted in every taluka to stop poaching of frogs.
We will be starting this campaign the first week of, as soon as the rain starts. We already geared up, the meetings have been held and RFOs have been instructed, letters have gone to them. Team, one district, one taluka, one team will be there because we have shortage of staff. Whatever is any complaints, will be normally starting from 7 o'clock in the evening to 1 o'clock at night. And morning we will check the check post, because that is the time people come on Karavar and all, those boundary check posts.
Anybody found poaching frogs will be penalized under Wildlife Protection Act. Offenders can be sentenced up to 3 years imprisonment with a fine up to 25,000 rupees. If animal lovers find any person hunting frogs, they can contact the following numbers. Informers should contact Kepe 2662214, Sange 2668049, Kurti 2608210, Kankon 26443348, Pisone 2673030, Margaon 2750246, Wildlife Margaon 27556980, Wildlife Kotigaon 2965601. Forest officers will have a strict check at state borders and railway stations to stop import of frogs from neighbouring states.
This time we intend to check the check post or the boundary, the state check post with our forest staff and the police also. At the same time we will be checking trains coming from Karwar, because we have a doubt that people normally get frogs from Asnoti, area called Asnoti in Karwar.
Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
Goa Athletic Association, along with consultants Shashi Prabhu and Associates and other members, inspected the athletic stadium and track at Bamboli for Lusophonia Games. Association is satisfied with the ongoing preparations for the games to be held in November. Paresh Kamath, Secretary of Goa Athletic Association, has announced that they are planning for a state-level championship in October as a trial for the big event. Kamath said the track and stadium will be completed by August.
How well are we prepared for Lusophonia Games 2013, scheduled from November 2nd to November 10th? Goa Athletic Association visited the Bamboli Stadium. Association claimed that the stadium at Bamboli is getting ready for the international sporting event. They are satisfied with the speed of work and hope to complete the stadium by August end.
पावसाचे सीजन आसा ताका लागून पळोवपाक बाबा कशें जातलें पूण आमी पूर्ण समाधानी आहा की ट्रॅक हो टायमार पूर्ण जातलो. आमी मे एंड म्हणलेलो पूण मे एंड ते जून फर्स्ट वीक पर्यंत हो ट्रॅक कंप्लीट जातलो. सो वॉर्म अप ट्रॅकूय हांगा कंप्लीट जातलो. फक्त काम त्या कंस्ट्रक्शनात ते उरतले ते मागीर म्हणजे स्लोली कंप्लीट जातले.
Association plans to host a state level championship in the month of October as a trial for Lusophonia event.
So by September आमी हांगा ट्रायल गेम सांगूंक शकता एक नॅशनल्स खंयचे इव्हेंट. सो तशी इट इज लायक अ मॉक ड्रील फॉर
इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर सुद्दां आसा स्पीड आसा
स्पीड काम इट विल बी कंप्लीटेड बाय ऑगस्ट.
सप्टेंबर ऑक्टोबर पर्यंत ते पूर्ण होईल.
आम्ही ऑक्टोबर सेकंड विकान आम्ही एक आयदर इंडियन ग्रँड प्रिक्स किंवा इन्व्हिटेशनल स्टेट चॅम्पियनशीप घेवंक शकता. ते ट्रायल्स कशी म्हणजे सिनियर जे पळय लुसोफोनियाकूच गेम आहा पळय इव्हेंट्स तितलेच इव्हेंट्स घेतले आमी.
Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
If you've missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.